What's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Toyota AVALON and this car have a problem. When I start car, you can see here engine light on, VSC and traction light on. When I press accelerator pedal, see rest not working. When press full, then little bit working, and that's the problem. So customer came and he told me anybody replace this evaporator inside, so then it's happened like this. Okay, so first I check with my diagnosis tool what is the problem. Engine, trouble code, fault code is P2123, a throttle pedal position sensor D circuit high. That means some problem in throttle pedal position sensor. Okay, so first we check fuse and everything. I will show you how you can solve this problem. First check all those fuses, good or not. So I already check every fuse. So if your car have same problem, you also check. Okay, first check all fuse, and then I check throttle body wire, which is came here. I check throttle body wire also perfect, and then I check in throttle pedal position sensor, because someone removed dashboard. Here is also everything perfect. They fix wire, but you can see here when you check inside, see there is some wiring damage here in throttle pedal position sensor. I don't know before anybody remove or why this is damaged, and they didn't fix properly. Okay, so now I fix it, this wire, and check. So I fix it now and check it's working or not. Then reset those fault code, erase code. Now no fault, start car. See, a warning light is gone, engine light is gone, and VSC or traction also. And when I press accelerator pedal, see, this is perfectly working now. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.